Let me ask you something. If I gave you $100 today, would you rather spend it or turn it into $200 in the future? Most people say they want more money, but very few actually understand how to make their money grow. That's where investment comes in. And don't worry, this isn't going to be some complicated, boring finance lecture. By the end of this video, you'll understand investing so clearly you could explain it to a 10-year-old. All right, let's break it down as simply as possible. Investment is just this: putting your money into something today so it can grow and become more money in the future. That's it. You're basically saying, I don't need to spend this money right now. I want it to work for me. Think of it like planting a seed. You don't eat the seed. You plant it, wait, take care of it, and eventually it grows into a tree that gives you more fruit. Money works the same way. When you invest, your money becomes a seed. Now you might be thinking, why not just save money instead? Good question. Saving is important, but here's the problem. Money sitting in a bank usually grows very slowly, and over time, inflation makes things more expensive. So if you just save money, you might actually be losing value without realizing it. Example: today, $100 might buy you a pair of shoes, but 5 years from now, that same $100 might not be enough. That's why investing is important. Saving equals protecting your money. Investing equals growing your money. You need both, but investing is what builds wealth. Let's make this super real with a simple example. Imagine you invest $100. If it grows by 10% in a year, you now have $110. Next year, you don't just earn on your $100, you earn on $110. So now you get $121. That's called compound growth. Your money starts making money, and then that money starts making more money. It's like a snowball rolling downhill. It starts small, but gets bigger and faster over time. This is why people say, the earlier you invest, the richer you can become. Because time is your biggest advantage. Now let's talk about where you can invest your money. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple. 1. Stocks. You're buying a small piece of a company. If the company grows, your money grows. 2. Real estate. Buying property like land or houses. You can earn from rent or price increase. 3. Businesses. Starting your own business or investing in someone else's. 4. Gold or assets. Things that hood value over time. Each one has risks and rewards, but the idea is the same. Put money in to get more money later. Now let's be real for a second. Not every investment makes money. Sometimes you can lose money. That's called risk. And this is where most beginners get scared. But here's the truth. No risk equals no growth. Smart risk equals smart rewards. The goal is not to avoid risk completely. The goal is to understand it and manage it. Think of it like learning to ride a bike. Yes, you might fall at first, but once you learn balance, you move forward. The biggest mistake? Waiting too long. People say, I'll invest when I have more money. But that's backwards. You don't need a lot of money to start. You need to start to build money. Even small investments matter, because remember, time plus consistency equals growth. So let's wrap it up. Investment is simple. Use your money today to create more money tomorrow. It's not about being rich already. It's about making smart decisions early. Start small, stay consistent. Give your money time to grow, because one day, the money you invested will start working harder than you ever did. And that's when things really change. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. because we're breaking down money, finance, and real-life success in the simplest way possible. And remember, don't just work for money, make your money work for you.